Welcome to Dawn of Cooking. And in this week's video, we'll be making a few things to help you stay healthy and to keep lowering your cholesterol naturally. These videos are for the young or even young at heart like me who have 13 grandchildren. So come along with me in this week's video and let's get cooking. Here are two breakfasts that you can make in a jar. You can grab and go. You can make them on the weekend and just have them when you are in a hurry. They're high protein, low cholesterol. You're gonna love them. You can vary it how you want. I'm gonna be using this Greek style Kite Hill yogurt. You can use whatever kind of yogurt you want, but if you're trying to lower your cholesterol and be more plant-based, this is a good option. And I'm going to be using this soy milk. It has no sugar in it and it's unsweetened, as you see, organic, and it has protein in it. Chia seeds, a jar, and then we'll just be using some frozen berries. I have 2 cups of frozen berries. One is raspberries and one is the frozen mixed berries, ones you get at Costco. And then I'm just gonna add it to the jar. For this next recipe, I will be using a recipe out of the Engine 2 cookbook. It's plant-based, great for heart disease, and if you're trying to lower your cholesterol and just all around eat more plants. This is a good cookbook to try, and we will be now making the banana bread.